So, have you taken any advantage of the opportunity provided by Appen? Yeah, I can tell you that once you sign up, there will be updates. You receive mails. For example, when there is a project coming up, they will alert you. You can apply, and then you can be able to participate in that project. When there is work to be done, they will alert you. You will come, and you can be able to participate in those tasks that can earn you money online. Earning money online is on 2029 is a task that must be done, and I encourage you to go ahead. Just go ahead and do it, and be able to earn your money online. Now, basically, if you're new to this channel, you may be wondering what is Appen. Well, Appen is a site where you can go to be able to earn money online. Yeah, as an independent contractor. So you can apply, and you'll be able to you'll be onboarded on the platform. Then you'll be able to do the work. It's flexible work. You work at your own time. Yes, and when you are onboarded, you can be able to choose your own work hours and all of that. So if you have not done so, you can do so now. You can get started by applying, and you will be onboarded. Then you can be able to make some money from this platform. Types of jobs you can do: you can do search media evaluation, you can do social media evaluation. Yes, you can do translation services, you can do transcription services, survey and data collection projects, linguistic specialties where you do text to speech, and you can also do lexicon and notation. These are all the kinds of tasks you can do, projects you can work on. You can do speech evaluation, you can do image annotation and transcription, video annotation, sensor data annotation. These are the kind of jobs you can do on this platform, Appen. And if you also need to get to know a little more about this platform, I encourage you to sign up and look at it. But generally, you need to be above 18, and you need to have excellent web research skills and analytical abilities. This is important from my experience on this platform. This helps you a lot if you have it. You also need to have excellent comprehension and written communication skills. Yes, and then you need to have stable internet access, and you need to have your own device, especially a computer that has Chrome web browser is actually recommended. Um, but some assignments you can do on your smartphone or your tablet. Yeah, so it's not every assignment that requires a computer. And another thing that you need to think about is so people, you may be wondering, how do you earn money as an independent contractor on Appen? Well, just like I mentioned, if you're able to carry out those projects, those tasks, and then you can work at your own time, and then you get paid for what you have done, work that you have done that is approved, and you can be paid through a Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account, I'll drop a link in the description of this video so that you can create a Payoneer account. So when you create a Payoneer account, you tie it to your Appen account, and you can tie your bank account to your Payoneer account. That means you can withdraw from your Payoneer straight into your bank account. Yes, as an independent contributor, as an independent consultant, what will you, does it cost you money to become part of the Appen family? No, you only need to take care of yourself because you're an independent contractor. So you only need to have your own equipment, your devices that you use to work, And so that's all. That's just it. Some tasks may require you to take some um, quiz, take some exam to be able to qualify. Yes, but generally you don't need to take any qualification exam to sign up as a contributor to Appen. You can sign up. There is no exam, but some specific task might require you to take all those quiz and exams to qualify. Now, expenses that you incur are basically regarded as part of your business expenses. So because you're an independent contractor, so you only take care of yourself and then you get paid for work you have done. So that is it, and I'd like to encourage you to widen the platforms that you sign up on in 2023 so that making money online can become easy for you in 2023. Yes, so that is it for now. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Charles Mahiwe. I'm your business coach, and I'll keep working with you. Remember what we said: click where I click, go where I go, end where I end, and together we'll make money in 2023. Yes, I wish you success.